You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 36 over 59. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add 5x to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 36 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 59. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals 36 over 59.